that we are saying ukuthi inempilo yona is contradictor. It's us who are says confused thina. You know ukuthi iBible says this, but because of wena uhleli la uhleli khona ufunde kakhulu or ubhorekile, then you think ukuthi no man kahle kahle abasho kanje basho kanje. Why is it twister the word of God?
Into clear.
Exactly.
Because iBible for mina clear.
Exactly.
I don't think iBible need so many interpretations in the way angakhona. I like clear iBible. Don't worship other gods except me.
Exactly.
So you would say, someone will say, oh, vele uNkulunkulu bekazi ukuthi there are other gods and gods that are powerful than him.
And there's no one who's powerful than him.
Yeah, no.
There's no one. Even the devil himself, I think akangene into trouble somehow somewhere uyamusha uNkulunkulu kwasa umthakathi lo wazi ukuthi this one umthakathi uyamusha uNkulunkulu. And then nabo if